Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best piano tuner is probably one of the most important investments you'll make for your piano, ensuring its longevity and the quality of its sound. Finding the right piano tuner can be tricky, but with careful consideration of their experience, qualifications, and client reviews, you can find a professional who will keep your instrument in top condition, allowing you to enjoy playing for years to come. This video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when choosing a piano tuner, helping you make an informed decision. Number 5. Metronome Tuner 3-in-1. Say goodbye to constantly replacing batteries. This metronome tuner has a rechargeable battery for extended use and comes with a USB charging cable for convenient charging via power bank or PC. It's a metronome, tuner, and tone generator all in one compact device. It's perfect for various instruments, from guitars and ukuleles to saxophones and trumpets, and offers multiple pickup methods for versatility. This tuner is fast, accurate, and boasts a wide detection range, covering A0, C8 and an A4 tuning range of 430 to 450 Hz. It adapts to various tuning modes for different instruments. With a tempo range of 30 to 250, beats 0 to 9, and 8 rhythms, it helps improve your timing across diverse musical styles. Adjust the volume or use headphones for comfortable practice. The large, color LCD screen and LED indicator make it incredibly user-friendly, especially in low-light conditions. What we like? It's the first rechargeable option, saving you from constantly replacing batteries. This 3-in-1 device functions as a tuner, metronome, and tone generator, perfect for various instruments. If you need a versatile, rechargeable tool for multiple instruments, this is the one for you. What people say. The clip hooks up directly to the unit, transferring vibrations for accurate readings. Much better than just a clip-on tuner. It is rechargeable and works while recharging. At full power, it is reasonably loud if you stand it up on its own kickstand, but barely audible when laying flat. It comes with an output speaker jack, and so can be extremely loud. This also greatly extends battery life. I'd estimate battery life to be maybe an hour using its own speaker, and several hours using a speaker. The screen is bright and legible for viewing both metronome and tuning. Speaking of which, the tuning is very responsive and helps guide me to the right note. Not to mention, you can customize the pitch of A. Standard is 440 Hz, which is a nice feature to have when playing some songs. Number 4. Sondery ClipTune Guitar Tuner. It uses a highly accurate sensor to detect vibrations and tune your instrument quickly and precisely, even in noisy environments. The wide calibration range ensures perfect tuning every time. This tuner boasts a crystal clear TFT screen, just like your phone. You'll see the tuning process clearly, even in bright sunlight. Enjoy a smooth and easy tuning experience. With its 360-degree rotating clamp, it fits any instrument, left or right-handed. It's perfect for guitars, ukuleles, basses, and more. Say goodbye to battery changes. This tuner is rechargeable via USB, giving you hours of use on a single charge. Just plug it in when needed. It automatically turns off after 3 minutes of inactivity, saving power and extending battery life. It's designed for convenience and efficiency. What we like? Its highly accurate piezo transducer ensures quick and precise tuning, even in bright light. The easy-to-read screen makes tuning simple, even outdoors. If you prioritize accuracy and ease of use in various lighting conditions, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The display is bright and easy to read when clipped on the end of the headstock. You can dial in specific tunings so easily. The Sondery Guitar Ukulele Tuner clip-on is super easy to use, with a bright TFT screen that's clear even in strong light. It's fast and accurate for tuning, and I love that it's rechargeable. Number 3. Sondery ProBeat Metronome. This is the Sondery ProBeat, your new practice companion. It's designed to help you improve your timing and rhythm, no matter what instrument you play. Setting the beat, tempo, and rhythm is quick and easy with its buttons and knobs. The clear color screen makes it simple to see your settings at a glance. It offers vocal counting and 3 different sounds to choose from. The bright LED light provides a visual tempo indicator, and a headphone jack lets you practice quietly. It has a wide tempo range from 40 to 280 BPM and 10 different beat patterns to suit various musical styles. You can even set your own tempo using the tap function. Use the built-in timer to set practice sessions for 15, 30, 45, or 60 minutes. It's also compact and lightweight, making it perfect for taking with you wherever you go. It's powered by a rechargeable lithium battery, easily charged by USB. Enjoy hours of practice on a single charge. What we like. With simple button and knob controls, it's incredibly user-friendly. It offers vocal counting and multiple sound options for diverse practice needs. If you value ease of use, versatile sound options, and a built-in timer, this metronome is perfect for you. What people say. The battery life is insanely good. I've owned this for maybe 2 years. And charged it maybe 5 times. Or less. It is kid-proof. My 3-year-old loves to play with it and mess with the settings. If he didn't break it yet, that is a good sign. I like its size and solid feel. It easily fits in a guitar case. I like that I can disable the ding on beat number 1. I like the variety of available rhythms and the ability to make different beat rhythm combinations. Number 2. Piano Tuner Spanner Wrench. This professional tuning wrench features a durable, hard steel shaft, built to withstand wear and tear. Its compact size makes it perfect for on-the-go tuning. The L-shaped design provides excellent ergonomics and ease of use. It's small and exquisite, making it easy to carry wherever you go. With an inner bore of approximately 0.65 centimeters and a total length of 16 centimeters, it's precisely sized for accuracy. The handle is approximately 10.5 centimeters long for comfortable grip. It's specially designed for tuning gushings and other instruments or machines with square tuning pegs. It ensures a secure and precise tuning experience. Before purchasing, please measure the size of your instrument's tuning pegs to ensure compatibility. Make sure the dimensions match for a perfect fit. It is made of high-quality steel, ensuring its durability and resistance to abrasion. This guarantees a long-lasting tool for your tuning needs. What we like. Made of hard steel, it's built to last. Its compact L-shaped design makes it easy to use and carry. If you need a durable and precise tool for tuning instruments with quadrilateral openings, this is your solution. What people say. The tool grabs and holds the square pegs very well. I appreciate that the tool's hole is square, seems to hold better. It fit the lugs fine. However, the handle is so short, you won't have much leverage for precision movements. I only needed to tune one string which I had accidentally tuned flat and couldn't get a grip using any other sockets I own. It's tough to tighten, but the tool did the job and I can play without avoiding that note now. Number 1. Piano Tuning Kit. This kit has everything you need to tune your piano efficiently. It includes 9 essential tools for a professional quality tuning. Inside, you'll find a tuning wrench, a 440 Hz tuning fork, rubber mutes, a wedge mute, a temperament strip, and a convenient storage bag. Everything is organized and ready to use. The handy storage bag keeps all your tuning supplies together and easy to transport. No more searching for lost tools. Use the wrench to adjust the tuning pins, the rubber mutes to dampen strings, and the temperament strip to mute the outer strings. The tuning fork helps you check the pitch. This precision-crafted hammer ensures accurate adjustments without damaging your piano. Its ergonomic design makes tuning comfortable and easy. With this complete kit, tuning your piano is simple and efficient. Get the perfect sound with ease and confidence. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes all the essential tools for piano tuning. The portable bag keeps everything organized. If you need a complete, convenient, and multifunctional set for piano tuning, this is the best option. What people say. Works great. 0 complaints. Got to tune my piano finally. Took some time to get into the groove, but I was able to get my piano playable again. I used my phone for the first octave or so and then tuned the rest of the strings to that section. Haven't actually used this product yet, but upon initial inspection, after the prompt receipt of this order, it has been determined to be of sufficient quality and endurance to complete the task at hand. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.